Find the best wheelchairs on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product I scored and buy. I am going to review top 16 best wheelchairs on the market. 1. Medline Transport Adult Folding Wheelchair with Handbrakes. This simple and lightweight model is a reliable choice if you are looking for easy transportation. Best suited for indoor use and even or paved surfaces, the Medline Adult Folding Wheelchair is sturdy and durable, but comfortable. It has a portable back that can be quickly folded for convenient storage and transportation during travel. In addition, the extra-large 12-inch rear wheels guarantee increased stability and high performance, even on rough or bumpy outdoor surfaces. It features full-length arms which provide an extended area for gripping and optimal support. For added safety, there are loop-lock handbrakes that slow down the chair on tilted sidewalks or rugged terrain. 2. Aluminum Transport Chair Lightweight. This model is primarily useful for fast and convenient transportation. Due to its aluminum framework, it is lighter than standard wheelchairs, not as bulky and much easier to push for the caregiver. It is made of quality, durable materials and has a functional design. The wheels are smooth and easy to glide around. Additionally, the chair can be folded quickly by using the pull-up handles and tucking the back. All of these features make it a wise substitute for a traditional wheelchair that may be too heavy to lift and inconvenient if you need to store it in your car and use during travel. However, the product is not a good choice if transportation involves a lot of rocky terrain. A larger and stronger model would be more suited for that. A unique element of this aluminum transport chair are the caster wheels. The latter guarantee that noise levels during transfer are dramatically diminished, even on rougher terrain. 3. Karman 29-pound Ergonomic Wheelchair. Karman's new 29 pounds wheelchair was designed specifically to maximize comfort. The Ergonomic S-shaped contours and accommodates the body's natural curves and is not only useful for increased support, but also to relieve back pain. It helps release pressure from common areas that are affected by prolonged sitting. Over time, this model can reduce your loved one's risk of developing scoliosis and pressure ulcers. It is comfortable and light, but not wobbly. A useful feature of this model involves its flip-back arms. These are hinged at the rear end of the seat frame and offer a smart solution to side sitting. The user can release a latch that quickly moves them out of the way. This ensures that your family member can easily get close to a desk or table, but also guarantees convenient sliding transfer. The main advantage of this type of support is that the arms are always within reach, as they remain connected to the wheelchair. 4. Medline Lightweight and User-Friendly Wheelchair. Medline user-friendly wheelchair combines resourceful design with simplicity to ensure safe and smooth transportation. This is one of the most straightforward models on the market. It's convenient and requires minimal maintenance. The brand prioritizes ease of use, making this lightweight chair a good choice if your loved one is looking for something simple and comfortable. It is made of sturdy, high-quality materials for increased durability. The seat height is adjustable, with a 2-inch modification available, and the elevating leg rests can be removed without much effort. There are also flat-free tires that prevent leaks or punctures and provide constant protection. This model features mag wheels. Made from cast aluminum, magnesium or a combination of both, they allow better heat conduction and reduce the risk of brake failure. They are also easier to steer and last longer than standard parts because the alloy protects them against rust and corrosion. The main frame is made of steel to ensure stability. There are multiple seat widths to choose from, including 16, 18 and 20 inches. Additionally, the arms flip back when needed so that your loved one can stay at the dinner table without any discomfort. 5. Nova Transport Wheelchair 400 pounds weight capacity. This model was designed specifically for heavier users. It is extra wide with a 22-inch surface and it holds up to 400 pounds. Traditional wheelchairs have a weight capacity of 300 pounds or under. It features locking handbrakes that allow your loved one to keep their hands on the wheels at all times. They help reduce fatigue and they do not only guarantee more efficient stops, but also stabilize the wheelchair for performing everyday tasks. The chair was built in such a way that it is easier for the caregiver to control the speed and direction. Moreover, the footrests feature heel loops and a non-skid plate that keep the user's feet in place. The 400 pounds transport wheelchair is foldable and convenient. It's easy to store and move around for travel use. The lightweight aluminum frame allows you to lift and transfer it without much trouble. Additionally, it combines intelligent design with powerful brakes, which makes it a reliable choice for transportation over bumpy surfaces and slopes. 6. Drive Medical Silver Sport 2 Wheelchair. This wheelchair offers a little extra in terms of variety than other models on the market. It comes at an affordable price and provides multiple leg support options to make your loved one more comfortable. You can choose from a wide array of foot riggings and arm styles, including 90-degree footrests, adjustable angle footplates and elevating leg rests that can be customized for different heights. It is made of high-quality materials that ensure increased durability and it features padded arms with push-to-lock functionality. Drive Medical Silver Sport 2 wheelchair is foldable and easy to transfer and store. The frame is made of steel and coated with powder to prevent corrosion and rust. It also has a silver vein finish that makes it low maintenance and elegant. The tires are made from urethane to ensure resistance to chemicals and deterioration. 7. ProBasics Aluminum Transport Wheelchair. ProBasics offers one of the most comfortable and convenient options on the market. Low cost and long-lasting, this model has small dimensions and overall weight for user-friendly steering. It features back-release hinges that make it easy to fold, store and pack during travel. The enlarged 12-inch wheels guarantee smooth transition over rugged terrain and high performance on all types of surfaces. Portable and secure, this is a reliable choice if your loved one requires a wheelchair daily or very frequently. It can be folded flat within only a few seconds and can be carried without much effort. The brakes can be easily activated through a simple push-to-lock system for added security. The caregiver can also use the handbrakes to stabilize the wheelchair when the patient exits or sits down. They are also advantageous on uneven terrain as they prevent rolling. ProBasics Aluminum Transport Wheelchair features sturdy composite footplates and heel loops that provide strong support and keep the user's feet from sliding backwards on the leg riggings. In addition, these are useful for patients with limited strength in their lower extremities. 8. Drive Medical Blue Streak Wheelchair. Drive Medical Blue Streak Wheelchair is a low-maintenance option that lasts longer than traditional models. Its innovative space-preserving design ensures that your loved one can move around easily on their own. It also features specialized, larger wheels that are simpler to turn and require less effort from the caregiver for steering. Moreover, there is a back foot paddle that reduces impact when going over uneven surfaces like curbs and obstacles. For added convenience, the arms are removable to help your loved one sit comfortably at the table or desk. This model is lightweight and practical. It is easy to transport and store. Just push the two sides together and the wheelchair is made compact and ready for transfer. It is one of the least expensive options on the market, It's very comfortable and it doesn't make you sweat as much as other standard chairs. It features calf straps for added security and a push-to-lock mechanism. The upholstery includes a synthetic porous fabric that offers more breathability and insulation than vinyl. It also promotes proper airflow and ventilation. 9. Nova Lightweight Transport Chair. This is a basic model that is most suited for hospital visits, at-home use or during travel. It features locking handbrakes that guarantee steady transportation even on bumpy roads. The functional design makes it simple to use and easy to fold. At an affordable rate, Nova's transport chair doesn't require much maintenance. There are also large 12-inch rear wheels that ensure effortless propulsion, and padded upholstery to prevent tear and stretching. Nova's product has a solid build, breathable fabric and flip-up arms that provide easy access. It closes and opens quickly and fits well under most tables. What is unique about this model is that it pretty much carries itself. If using indoors or on a smooth surface, the wheelchair easily glides with little to no effort from the caregiver or patient. The aluminum frame is also lighter than steel bases and much more convenient during travel. 10. Drive Medical Lightweight Steel Transport Wheelchair. This model is a smart choice if you valued both durability and convenience. It has a solid steel framework that guarantees increased longevity and better protection. It also offers more stability and is a more budget-friendly option that is easier to maintain. A steel alternative usually means that there is a lower strength-to-weight ratio and that the chair will be slightly more difficult to fold and store than its aluminum counterpart. However, Drive Medical strives to offer the best of both worlds, the reliability and sturdiness of a steel base, as well as the maneuverability and convenience of a lightweight wheelchair. 11. Drive Medical Ultra Lightweight Transport Wheelchair. This is a lightweight, compact model that is easy to lift and transport. It features 8-inch rear casters and 6-inch front casters to prevent unwanted wheelchair breakdown and guarantee simpler maneuver. The swing-away footrests reduce pressure on the user's legs and lower back. This is a smart addition because it ensures that swelling doesn't occur over time, and also prevents varicose veins and blood clots from forming. Their height is adjustable to make your loved one feel comfortable at all times. Additionally, the back folds so that the unit is compact enough to store in a car trunk or a smaller space. Drive Medical Ultra Lightweight Transport Chair is useful if you or your caregiver have limited strength and cannot maneuver a heavier device. Or if you want a basic model with a lighter frame than traditional bases and more transfer convenience. These types of chairs are usually narrower than conventional ones, making it easier to fit through small doorways and tight hallways. 12. Karman Ergonomic Ultra Lightweight Chair. This is the least heavy manual wheelchair on the market. Weighing only 19.8 pounds, Karman's product is very easy to move around and lift, even if the user has limited strength. The ingenious design and long-lasting metal work together to create a unique experience for users that maximizes comfort and convenience. The chair has an ergonomic, patented S-shaped frame that releases tension from key areas affected by prolonged sitting. This model also reduces the risk that your loved one will develop pressure ulcers or sores. Moreover, it corrects posture and promotes proper spinal alignment long-term. Karman redefines mobility and provides increased range and flexibility, as well as faster and easier transfer. The companion brakes allow caretakers to readily access the brakes without having to crouch. Additionally, the lightweight chair features footrests and heel loops that keep the user secure and can be detached when needed. 13. Drive Medical Blue Streak Wheelchair with flip-back desk arms, elevating leg rests. The blue streaks features an attractive design. The frame is made from steel, which makes it durable and is free from cracking possibilities. The upholstery is nylon and detachable, allowing for easy cleaning. For a smooth ride, even on bumpy surfaces, the wheels are Rubbermaid. Added to these is a comfortable seat that's large enough at 18 inches. 14. Karman Ergo 305 Lightweight Ergonomic Wheelchair, Quick Release Wheels. If there's one lightweight wheelchair, it's the Karman Healthcare Ergo 305. With the frame made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's light enough to move around and to transport. The seat height is adjustable up to 19 inches height from the floor. The seat is ergonomic and is cushioned for extra comfort. The footrests are both adjustable and detachable, to allow for comfort and compactness during travel. 15. The 9000 SL Wheelchair, Fixed Height Space Saver Desk Arms by Handbrakes. The wheelchair features a stylish design consisting of black satin finish. The frame is carbon steel, which makes it strong, lightweight and durable. The wheels are rubber for easy and smooth movement along rough surfaces. The seat can be adjusted, which allows you to make it recline or rise to the position you feel is comfortable. 16. 3G01052 Traveler HD Wheelchair, Detachable Desk Arm, Swing Away Footrest by Everest and Jennings. This wheelchair is strong and comfortable. The upholstery is black leather, double-lined to last longer. It comes with a carry pocket on the rear, so you won't have to worry about how to carry your belongings and accessories. The rear wheels are large and rubber-covered for comfortable rides on rough streets and for easy propelling.
Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.